Hello everyone, my name is Cebuflor. I upload making money, how to making money online, and easy way to make some extra money. I do have some flowers, so first I am going to sell this for $20 in milk glass footed milk glass and neon potholes. So this is $20, and the other one it is Monstera Deliciosa. This is about 3 foot tall, and I am going to sell this for $80 just for these plants. This is the matured plants with lots of aerial roots. So I do sell stuff online, which is this one. It sells for $80. And this one is $20 with a vintage footed milk glass. So there you go. Very healthy leaves. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe so you will know when I post a video making money online. Easy way.